Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to get or generate your QR code for your Facebook page. So to start, we'll have to go first on my Facebook account, and then here let's click on the profile icon and then go to the page option, and then here let's click on my page. So now we'll have to switch fully to my Facebook page. And then here we'll have to click again on the profile icon at the top. And now let's click on the search bar at the top, the one that looks like a magnifier. And then on the search bar, let's type the words QR code. And then here you'll see the option for QR code. Let's click on that, and then you will be redirected to this option that shows scanner and my code. So let's just click on the my code option, and then it will show you the QR code for your Facebook page. So as you can see, you have two options. It's either you want to save the QR code to your phone, or you'll share it directly to your timeline or your profile. So that's how you generate or get your QR code for your Facebook page. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you on our next video.